Have you ever bought brightening body lotions and they did not work out for you? If you know that you have bought any of the lotions that you can see on your screen and they're not working out for you, but you have used them for a while, or you have someone that you know that have used them and it is working out for them, yet it is not working out for you, then here are the reasons. Hi, my love. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the favorite Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first time you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy. And over here, we talk about all things that has to do with skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, okay, on how to be a girly. And this is one of my tips giving video. In this video, I am going to be telling you how you are going to activate that your brightening body lotion to work for you. Please do not make this video to be your last. Remember to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So the very first thing I want to tell you is that you are not the cause, okay? But in a way, you might actually be the cause of the reason why the expensive body lotions are not working for you. If you have bought brightening body lotion because I recommended it here on my channel or because it was hyped on TikTok and yet it did not work out for you, but it's working out for your sister, your sibling, your friend, and it's not working out for you, here are some of the reasons that might actually be the reason why that body lotion is not working for you. The first thing is that you do not have patience. Most of us do not have the patience to actually use some of these products for us to see the results that we're supposed to see on our skin. Someone have asked me, Amarachi Favy, what did it take you to build this skin that you are seeing on the screen? And I told the person that it took me years. 2 years, okay, 2 years. And when you talk about 2 years, it has to do with consistency and it has to do with patience. So the first thing you're going to have is for you to be patient and for you to be consistent. You cannot use a lotion today, then tomorrow you have changed another lotion because you're hearing another person hyping it, and then next tomorrow you have changed another lotion. Which one do you want to work for you exactly? Okay, so the thing I will tell you is that you're going to be patient, you're going to be consistent. But in this case, you have been patient and you have been consistent, and yet you are not still seeing the result. Probably you are not pre-cleansing your skin. That leads me to my point number 2. You are not pre-cleansing your skin. There is something called pre-cleansing, which is the first wash we have in the shower. Okay. The reason why I'm putting this pre-cleansing is because you will now say, oh, I'm using a brightening soap. I'm using a brightening body wash, a brightening shower gel, and also I'm using a brightening lotion. It's not working. Your brightening body wash and your brightening shower gel will only serve as a proper soap or as a proper wash in the shower if you're not pre-cleansing. The pre-cleansing would help your skin to be clean, your skin will be neat, your skin will be prepped, okay, for the brightening body wash or brightening bar soap to now work. And then when you now use that your brightening body lotion, it will not penetrate deep into your skin. Point number 3 is because you are not exfoliating your skin. There is something that is called dead skin cells, and these dead skin cells live on the surface of our skin, the outer surface, obviously. And these body lotions, you are now applying it on a skin that is having a lot piles of dead skin cells, and the skin pores are obviously closed. If your skin pores are closed, okay, or clogged, there is no how that product will be penetrating into your skin. It's just like you trying to pour water into a drainage system that is blocked. You know that that water will not go down, right? You have to unclog the drainage system so that the water will not pass through the drainage system. So in this particular case, your skin pores are closed because you're not exfoliating. And you might be exfoliating, but you're not exfoliating the right way, okay? There are steps which you can take to exfoliate the right way. I'm going to drop the link to that video pinned down in the comment section. So the point number 3 is for you to obviously exfoliate your skin properly and gently using a good physical scrub, okay, or a good chemical exfoliant, which leads me to point number 4. If you know your body is very soft, your body does not like the use of physical exfoliant that comes as a result of scrubs, you can use chemical exfoliant that comes as a result of lotions, okay? There are multiple body lotions that have chemical exfoliants attached to them, like glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid. I'm going to leave the pictures of these body lotions here on the screen. You can take a screenshot and get these lotions and then use them on your body, probably 2 nights, okay, in a week, or 3 nights in a week, and that will serve as an exfoliant. Do not give the excuse that, oh, your skin is too soft, you don't want to exfoliate. If your skin is too soft, you lean towards getting a chemical exfoliant. Then if your skin is not soft, if your skin is very tough, we know ourselves here, okay? Then you lean towards getting a physical scrub. Point number 5 is that you're expecting a lot from a particular body lotion, okay? Your expectations are way too much, way beyond what you're supposed to be expecting. Some of you do not even go about to read the ingredient list to know what this particular lotion contains. A particular lotion might contain just minute quantity of brightening ingredients in it, and then you expect it to do all the wonders, all the job at once. I've told you people to look out for ingredient that contains kojic acid, tranexamic acid, lactic acid, ingredient that contains vitamin C, that contains good ingredients that will brighten up your skin. Obviously, these are the ones I can remember at the moment, but I will put the rest on the screen. So if you look out for these ingredients and you're seeing them in a particular lotion, like ferulic acid as well, if you can see them in that particular lotion, that means that lotion is already activated. And this ingredient should be top 5. It should be the top 5 in your ingredient list on that particular lotion. So do not expect a particular lotion to do all the job when you don't even know the ingredient that it contains and the power of the ingredient that it contains. Some of these ingredients cannot really do much, but if they have a lot of brightening ingredients in it, then it can go ahead to do the brightening proper. So the next thing is that you use multiple brightening products. Let me break this down. Only you're using a brightening body wash. Only you're using a brightening bar soap. Only you're using a brightening lotion. Only you're using a brightening body oil. How? There should be something that is hydrating or moisturizing in your routine. It must not be brightening, lightening. Because in most cases, what this brightening or lightening, extensive brightening or extensive lightening does to our skin is to strip our skin of essential oil, dry your skin. And I've told the people here on this channel that a dry skin can never glow up. If your skin is dry, ashy or flaky, there's no how you can glow. They cannot be in the same sentence. So you should have products that will hydrate your skin. That is the reason why I always keep recommending Dove body lotions to you people. Not because it is brightening, but because it is hydrating. If your skin is looking well nourished, looking like something that has water on it, naturally any other brightening product that you're using will work. So as you're getting your brightening products, I want you to pair them with a good hydrating product, something that will hydrate your skin, that will moisturize your skin, that will not brighten your skin or lighten your skin. Just hydrate plus moisturize your skin and just lock in moisture on the surface of your skin. Okay. The next reason why your brightening products are not working for you is because you're not even protecting your skin enough from the sun. I've talked about the importance of, not getting tanned by the sun. There was once a time that my hand here got burned, okay, by the sun. Obviously, I got sunburned because I went to the market and I did not wear clothes that covered. If you see me outside, I always used to wear like clothes that will cover my body properly, because I know that even if you apply a proper body sunscreen on your body, it is not going to stay for long. And there is no how I can be in the market, for example, I will now bring out body sunscreen and start applying on the surface of my skin. It will make me look like I'm going crazy. Do you understand? So I'm going to advise you to wear clothes that are going to cover up your skin, especially if you live in this kind of country, Nigeria, where the sun is very harsh, okay? You are going to be wearing clothes that will cover up. Wear hats that will cover you. Wear clothes that will cover you up. And then make sure that if it is not really important, do not be under the sun. It does not make sense. And then the next reason is that you're using this brightening product in the morning. Most of these brightening products contain powerful ingredients that are not supposed to be used under the sun. And like I said, most of you will not go under the sun wearing singlet hand, exposing your arms, exposing your legs, and then you will not notice that those parts of the body that are being exposed to the sun are not darker than the ones that were covered. Okay, so these brightening products should be used only at night, not during the day, or on the days that you know that you're not going to be at home. If you know that you're going to be at home throughout, then you can use them during the day. The next and the last reason is because expecting that the most powerful ingredient or the most powerful body lotion should be expensive. Expensive does not mean that that product will work out for you. Yes, take it from me. I have used expensive products that did not work out for me. You guys are going to see them at the end of the year, where I normally review all the products I use during the year. And you will see that most of these products that Amarachi Favy purchased, they were very expensive. Some of them even ruined my skin, that I had to start repairing my skin. So that the product is expensive does not mean it will work for you. And that the product worked for your sister or someone you know does not also mean that it will work for you. Okay, so the earlier you know this, the better for you. The affordable product they are seeing in the market can even work for you more than the expensive one, while some of the expensive ones, okay, can also work for you more than the affordable ones. So tell me in the comment section the reason why you think these brightening body lotions of 2026 are not working out for you, that you picked from this video. I would want to know, and I would want to give you maybe an advice or two on how to go about it so that it will work for you. And also remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. Share this video to your friends and your families, okay? Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this. And until next time, I love, stay glowy and bye.